Hello students. Good morning everybody and welcome you to your online science class. After many days we meet here. That means yes, good morning everybody. After Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 4 days after we meet again here. Okay. So, a very good morning to all of you. And now spring season is going on. আমি তোমাদের আগেই একদিন বলেছিলাম না spring the end of that end, that means 6 seasons we have. This is the end season of this year. Summer will come after that. এটাই হচ্ছে লাস্ট সিজন এই ইয়ারের। এরপর আসবে সামার, ঠিক আফটার 1 মান্থই চলে আসবে, সে চিন্তা নেই। তো জাস্ট নাও we today write down the date here at first. Let's see what is the speciality of this date. This is prep, we know that. And this is science class, that also we know. Today we will write down the date 2/2/2/2/1. আজকে ডেটটা দেখেছো 2/2/2/2, এটা হচ্ছে কোনো অড। এটাই যদি 2 কমপ্লিট হয়ে যেত না তাহলে 2/2/2/2 ওকে, এটা কি মজা হতো না, কিন্তু কি আর করা যাবে, হোয়াট এভার। সো 2/2, so 22 February and today that is 21st. Today is Monday. This is the first working day of this week and Friday is the last working day of the week. Okay, so we know this. Today we will draw something different. You will take your science copy with white page and make here like this, a big size. You will just make here now. Okay, here we will make the difference here. Okay, also you will also do. Okay, Niganko, you will also do this. Okay, now we will left side write down day and here right side we will write down night. Day and night, this is the basic difference. That picture we will do some, we will do here something we are seeing in the sky in daytime. Whatever we see we draw here and whatever we see in the night time we'll draw here. Okay, so first I'll just start with day. Day sky, you will just make a funny smiley sun here. By yourself. Whatever the work you will do it by yourself. Okay, and other side you will color with sky blue. Sky blue you will use here. Sun will be yellow color and this apart this part you will color with sky blue. Okay, sun ko shudhu yellow color korbe, otherwise baki part this portion baki part color korbe sky blue color diye use koro. Start the work and right side you will draw here Okay, right side you will color with dark blue or black. Dark blue you will color here. Don't use the black color. Deep blue একটা color হয় যেটা like black. Color করবে star you will color with yellow and moon colored with white. Just color this one and show me the picture. মৃন্তিকা, দেবাংশ, মৃগাঙ্ক, নিবেদিতা, সঞ্চয়ন, শ্রেষ্ঠা. ওকে, ওকে. Completed. Oh, Asma, you are sending me this work. Okay. Okay, night sky. Okay, very good. This work, homework already I am checked now here. Very good. Here they are sending me. Okay, Asma, your work. Okay. Yes. Now you will do, thereafter we will do some oral work. Okay, you will complete this work. You are doing, Mriganko? Complete it. If you complete it, then you will send me the picture. I will check it and I will give some oral work to you. Okay. Yes, stars yellow. Stars will be yellow and moon is white. Star outside color you can color with orange. Outside color, outside lines, outside line you can use here. This portion you will also use orange color, and this portion you will also use your orange color, and middle portion you will color with yellow. Okay, they are sending the, okay, Asma already sent here, Devans also send me here. Okay, day, okay. Asma, you have colored the sun, moon and stars, but you not day sky and night sky. I wanted to show you the difference. Yes, day sky is sky blue, and night sky we can't see anything. Night sky is black. So that's why that is the difference. Devan Shamanto, okay. Stars yellow will be, okay. Devansh here color, okay. Shrestha Nandi, okay. Shrestha, you will also after this class, that means after your math class, you will color the sun and the sun up beside the sun color, that means sky color. You will also do that one also. Okay, Mriganko Hara. Okay, day sky, sun is here, and moon and stars are here. But I also tell you to do the color of sky. আমি স্কাই কালারটা করতে বলেছিলাম, কেন জানো? এখন তো দিনের বেলা you can see the sky is blue, light blue, but in night time যদি তুমি দেখো, in night time we can see the sky is black or deep blue. You can't see the other thing there. Okay, Shanchayan. Okay, now it is, this work is over. Now near about, now we can erase this one. Now okay, who is there? Nivedita is there. Okay, Nivedita is there. Now I'll give some oral questions to you. Okay. Okay, day, night. Okay, very good. Okay. So this work is over here. So now we can do another work that is related with this lesson, and we can do some work here. Write down here sun, tick the correct, tick the correct. Okay, tick the correct. That means you write the correct here. Okay, you will do sun is hot, cold. Which one is correct? You will tell me. Sun is hot or cold? Which one will be the correct? Hot, cold. Hot, cold like ice cream or hot like tea? Yes, sun is hot ball of fire. Okay, hot ball. Sun is hot ball of fire. You are right, students. So number 1 it is. Number 2, moon. Moon is hot, cold. Moon is hot or cold? That is, first is sun is hot, cold. Somebody are writing hot, 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 hot. Okay, Sancho now started. That sun is hot, good. And moon is hot or cold? Yes, moon, Mighanko, moon is not hot, moon is cool, like the cold, just like this, cold like ice cream. Brintika, okay, very good, but Brintika, day sky color is okay. Night sky will be deep blue. Aro blue korte hobe night sky ta, just like black blue, but it is okay. Okay, now number 3 we can do one thing, that is moon stars are twinkling. Moon, stars are twinkling. Which one is correct? Ditipriya Mondol. Okay, Ditipriya, very good to join here. Regularly you will join the class. It will be good for us. Okay. Okay, let's see who has given me the correct answer now. Stars. Yes, stars are twinkling. Okay. Okay, so number 4 last is, so number 3 it is okay still now today. You will complete all 3 work very nicely. So next class again we'll meet, and I'll just that time I'll give you some more activities. So this class up to this much. Tata for today. Bye bye students. Tata.